Welcome to the Nurse and Nerd, where we are not top chefs and sometimes we burn our rice. For today's dinner experiment, we're going to inject our hen. On one side, we're going to stovetop fry it, and then we're going to flip it over and air fry the hen to see which method allows that one side is much more crunchy, which one is juicy, and which method cooks the hen through and through. The dinner experiment result, the air fry is a much more better method. Not only was the hen's texture crunchy, it was juicy and thoroughly cooked throughout. For the next dinner experiment, make sure that you subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know down below, which method did you guess would work out better?